What is the difference between the keywords final, finally and finalize? The answer is final. Final is a keyword and it can be a variable, method or class. You can't change the value of any variable or method which is declared with the keyword final. And if it is a method that is declared with the word final, then you can't override the method. If your class is declared with the final keyword, then you can't inherit the class. So this is the purpose of using the keyword final. Here if you see, we are declaring the variable x of type int to be 100 using the final keyword. So again, if I declare x or initialize x with some other value, that will throw me a compile time error. So that is the use of final keyword. Next we have a keyword finally. Finally is a block that is used for exception handling. In exception handling, you'll have a try and a catch block, and the finally block will be always executed. If you see over here in our example, we have a try block that is having a catch as well. So in your try block, we are having the value of x to be 300. And the catch block will print the value of e. Since this doesn't have any sort of relation, this part doesn't have any output to be thrown, whereas your finally block will be executed. So at that point of time, your output will be finally block is executed, because your finally block will be always executed in exception handling. So that returns some value or the other even if errors occurs in your program. So that is the purpose of finally block. Next we have the keyword as finalize. Finalize is a method and it is used in garbage collection. Your finalize method is invoked just before the object is garbage collected. The finalize method can be used to perform any cleanup processing. If you see over here, we have declared a class finalize example and the method finalize is present over here. It is used for garbage collection. So, since we are assigning the values of two objects, f1 and f2, of the class finalize example to be null, when you execute it, you have the garbage collected and display finalize called. These pattern of questions are highlighted in interviews of Mindtree and Emphasis.